Making perfect donuts without knowing the traditional recipe sounds difficult. That's why professional chefs recommend using donut makers to cook them perfectly within a few minutes. However, finding an effective and good quality appliance on the market is nerve-wracking. So, we have compiled a detailed buying guide on donut makers that will help you pick up the best product without breaking your bank. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Babycakes Multi-Treat Baker. Babycakes Multi-Treat Baker is the Cadillac of donut makers. The Candy Apple Red appliance has 3 interchangeable non-stick plates that allow users to make cupcakes, cake pops, donut holes, and 7 donuts. It comes with top and bottom plates for each application. The versatility makes this a worthy buy. But there is more. The latching handle keeps the batter inside the maker and makes it safe when children are around. The power and ready indicator light make baking a breeze. It has non-skid rubber feet to keep the machine secure on the counter, and the cord wrap keeps storage space minimal. The included recipe booklet provides tasty suggestions for homemade treats, and the removable plates wash easily in warm soapy water. Number 2. Dash Mini Donut Maker. This donut making appliance allows you to make 7 mini donuts at once. All you need to do is pour your preferred batter, like cake mix or brownie mix, and switch on the appliance. You can also easily remove the prepared donuts due to the non-stick and PFOA-free surface of this donut maker that does not allow sticking or burning of the donuts. Since it makes fresh donuts within minutes, you can eat a tasty homemade breakfast even during your busy schedule. Moreover, this appliance is bolstered with an indicator light that prevents the food item from overcooking. It also comes with a warranty of 1 year, so you get the best user experience. Number 3. CucinaPro Ebelskiver Maker. Serve your kids fresh and homemade donuts with the help of this high-quality appliance. It allows you to make 7 donuts or mini cakes in a session. You can also make specialized Danish sweet dishes like cake pops, muffins, and Ebelskiver. Additionally, it is bolstered with an even heat distributor technology so that the donuts get perfectly cooked without burning. The non-stick surface of this baker plate makes this appliance easy to clean because it doesn't let the batter stick on it. You can easily wipe it using a damp cloth or tissue after use. It is also easy to operate due to the on/off switch button and an indicator light that turns during the baking process. Number 4. Crocker Mini Donut Maker. This donut maker bakes the donut instead of frying them so that they have less fat content and are healthy to eat. It has the capacity to prepare 7 fresh mini donuts at a time, which is perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. This product functions at 1000 watt power, so the donuts are prepared in a jiffy. Thanks to its non-stick stainless steel mold surface, you can enjoy golden brown and soft donuts at the comfort of your home. You also get a piping bag with a nozzle and separate spatula for perfect decoration and cream layering of the prepared donuts. What's more, it is backed by a 1-year warranty period, assuring you of its high efficiency and durability. Number 5. Brentwood Mini Donut Maker. Impress your friends and family by making mouth-watering mini donuts using this advanced appliance. It functions on a powerful 750 watts so that you can enjoy perfectly cooked 7 donuts within minutes. It can also be used for making cake, muffins, brownies, and more. Thanks to the non-stick surface, you can easily remove the prepared donuts and clean this appliance with a simple tissue paper. Another plus is that the cool and heat-resistant handle of this appliance allows you to open and close its lid without burning your fingers. It also features an indicator light that lets you know when the appliance is preheated and when the donuts are ready to be removed from the mold. On top of everything, it can fit in a small space of your kitchen due to its non-slip vertical feet and compact design. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.